Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making charoli cookies. For this we need charoli powder, charoli, butter, baking powder, all-purpose flour and castor sugar. So take a strainer, add 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and strain them. Now add 50 grams of castor sugar or as sweet as you want. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of charoli powder. Mix them. Now add 50 grams of butter and make a dough. If your dough is not proper, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of hot milk. And for making cookies, take one grater and press the dough on grater to make a little design and garnish it with charoli, and on preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius bake them for 25 minutes. Your delicious charoli cookies is ready. Thank you.